Well, good morning. Cheers. It is Wednesday. My name's Sarah, for those of you who've forgotten, because I have not been on this platform in, gosh, so long. Kaya, let's not chew on your bum right now. Come here. Say hi. Anyway, it is a Wednesday here in rainy, dreary Portland, and I have the day off work, so I decided that we are going to the beach, and Momo wants to say hi too. It's just Animal Kingdom. So if we leave in, oh my gosh, okay, 13 minutes, we will get to Cannon Beach around 11, and then we'll have a 3-hour window, according to the weather app, which I usually don't really think is that accurate. We'll have a 3-hour window where it's supposedly not going to rain. So, I'll take you along today. Okay. All right, and the car did not quite get ready in the exact amount of time I had mentioned, but it's 10. We are headed off. Kaya's there. We are headed off to Cannon Beach. If I'm being honest though, I really just want to go to Manzanita. They have a really nice co-op with a really nice like lunch hot bar. It's amazing that I'm wanting to drive an hour and a half for that. But the main reason that I like going somewhere kind of far away on my day off is to watch Kaya just run around and have fun. So the entire aim of this excursion is for her to have true unbridled joy. So that's the point. And if I sound congested, it's because I am. I got my first like flu in 2 years. So that has not been fun. But I'm on the tail end of it. I'm just congested now and sneezing once in a while. But all right, we're gonna head out and have a good day. Okay, just stopped at my favorite place to get lunch in Manzanita. It's called Wild Grocery, and they have a bunch of options if you have any type of like dietary restrictions. So as I've mentioned on my channel, I'm vegan and I'm gluten-free. So that poses some issues when I go places. But this place is so good if you're ever in Manzanita. I got a fresh squeezed juice, which they squeeze right there in front of you. And then let me grab the camera and I'll show you what else I got for food. So on the top here, we've got my lasagna, which is a wild mushroom lasagna. It's so good. I got it last time I was here. And then this time, this is a really chaotic view. I also got 2 of these like almond butter bliss balls. Tell me if you didn't know what a bliss ball was. A brownie and a ginger cookie, which I'm really excited about.